Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Reed, and Reed has been nice enough to show his experience, and we are here now 10 months after his second surgery. So I'll have our surgery video, or his surgery day video is on our website, and you can see what he looks like at 1 year, and then you can see what he looks like at 2 years, just about 2 years. And you can see now he has a high definition hairline, big improvements. Reed, overall, tell me about your experience, and tell me if are you glad you did it a second time?
Oh yeah. The second time really kind of pieced it together. I kind of knew going into it I had a lot of hair loss, so and I wanted to bring it down a good bit too. So it was going to take two.
Yep.
But worth it. Totally worth it.
Awesome. Let me have you just model it for a second. If you could maybe just there we go. Just from the front. There we go. Perfect. Hold it right there. Great, and let's see the other side. Same thing. Yes, and then slowly bring it around to the front again. Great, and then if you would, maybe chin down to your chest. There we go. Wow, just hold it there. Look at the difference. Big difference. Awesome, man. Each time you do a surgery, you're getting about 30% to 40% additional density. So having that white skin, black hair, dark hair, every little space and gaps more evident. If you're going into an area with zero, sometimes it does take that second pass to really get it tight. So that's awesome.
It's in a weird phase right now. Some of the hairs, this long. I think if I can get them a little longer, I can come back to piece it all together even more.
Yeah.
It's not yet, but
awesome, man. Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
Awesome.
No way.
Any issues with your scar in the back? You don't have to show us, but does it limit you in any way?
No, I had someone just yesterday trying to find it because they didn't believe me. You can't find anything.
Cool. Well, Reed, thank you for showing your story. It's really nice to have someone that's gone through it twice now, and really happy with how you look, man. And enjoy your hair. It's permanent. You'll always have that hairline. 80 years old, you'll have a hairline just like that. So.
Thank you.
Awesome.
You saved my life. I tell everyone you saved my life.
Awesome, man. I'm glad to hear. Thanks so much, Reed.
Thank you.
Dude, Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.